27 types of heavy construction equipment and their uses. Part 4. Number 9. Drag lines. Drag lines are a large-scale excavator that can reach great depths at surface mining sites, above-ground clavation sites, and other locations. A tall boom arm with wire-based drag and hoist ropes is used to operate drag lines. These ropes work together to transport a bucket to and from its application place. The drag line operator then maneuvers the bucket into position, allowing it to collect and transfer debris by pulling it across the surface. Many drag lines are erected on the job site rather than transported due to their height and weight, though lighter ones are available. Number 10. Drills. Blast hole drills, also known as rotary blast hole drills, are a type of heavy equipment used to drill holes at mine sites. Because they have built-in features that can help you accomplish jobs swiftly and safely, autonomous drills are becoming increasingly popular among equipment handlers. For example, automated drills today might feature depth tracking, built-in cameras, automatic leveling, retracting, and drilling, HVAC systems to cool while limiting dust exposure. Non-automated drills have the same amount of power, but these features can improve the comfort and safety of your work as well as the equipment's overall productivity. Number 11. Drum rollers. Drum rollers, also known as compact rollers or road rollers, are devices that are used on construction sites to smooth and level the surface. They are quite powerful and can rapidly and effectively flatten surfaces. There are two types of rolling drums available. Smooth rollers. A smooth roller is one that has a smooth drum. Smooth rollers, as the name implies, use a combination of intense vibrations and pressure to make smooth surfaces out of gravel, sand, or dirt. These devices are available in single or double drum configurations. Pad food rollers. Pad food rollers employ the same technology as smooth rollers, but with the added benefit of a powerful manipulative force that can be used to compact and solidify dirt. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit celliarconstructionequipment.com.